So I learned something pretty cool about the way that a turkey makes its gobble. So when it does the thing where it's, gobbling and shaking its head, that's not the only thing that it's doing. There's also a thumping noise involved, like a repetitive thumping noise. And I'm going to show you an example of this. The turkey can make the thump just by itself, or it can make the thump in a pulsing wave, just like it does the gobble at the same time. And I'm wondering if it can use that thumping wave to make it sound like it's closer or further away from whatever hen it's trying to call in. So I'm picturing the thumping as like a large sine wave and maybe the gobble as like a smaller sine wave. So when I show you the example, you're going to hear the thumping by itself first, then you're going to hear the gobbling with the thumping. Those happen at the same time. Depending on what you're listening on, like when I listen to this on just my phone, when the turkey thumps, all I can hear is a quick swoosh noise from all of its back feathers. Feathers on like the top of it, like behind its head. But when you listen on good speakers, like when I listened on my headphones, then you can clearly hear the thumping noise. So you're going to hear thumps first, then thumps with gobbles. Gobble again. So interesting, this turkey is doing a thump, but also a repetitive thump when he gobbles. Maybe that helps carry the sound of the gobble. In the description below, there are links for my website, backyardbroadheads.com, for all your hunting and crossbow accessories. And for the world's most accurate arrows, links for AJ's Custom Arrows. And he is now offering, you can get custom logos, so get your logo printed on your arrows. That's pretty cool. I definitely need to get that on my next set of bolts that I get from him.